Hello friends, welcome back. Today I think we will dig into Avial recipe. We're going to demolish it. It's a simple recipe, but we'll make it our own. Cut down on coconut, which is, as we all know, high in saturated fats. Use literally very little oil. We also don't want to add air miles to this dish. So I'm going to use all the local fresh vegetables which we buy here, and not which have been flown in. So let's get it going. Okay, let's start off with making the coconut paste, but I'm going to replace most of the coconut with oatmeal. So this is my surprise ingredient. Oatmeal, the breakfast cereal, goes in. Because it's mainly coconut, I do have to add some coconut to it. There goes oatmeal, and then some coconut milk powder I'm using. But you can always use tin of coconut milk. Ideally, you should use frozen, freshly grated coconut. You could use this, but today I'm going to use the coconut milk powder. So in goes the coconut milk powder. And a very little amount of turmeric. Green chillies. Loads of it, but because this is going to give the kick to the dish, and cumin seeds, a bit of cumin seeds, and that's it. And so I'll pour some water and then blend it together. If you're using coconut milk, you probably won't use water. So that's our basic coconut mixture ready, and now we'll heat up the pan. So I've turned on the pan. I'm going to spray some oil into it. For tempering, we need a bit of oil. We temper it with mustard seeds. So in go the mustard seeds first. And I suggest we cover it, because once they start cooking, they start jumping up and crackling. So we'll wait for that stage to come. So meanwhile, I'll tell you about the vegetables. So I would use stew vegetables. I think will go really well, which means potatoes, carrots, sweet, parsnips, pumpkin, and all that. And that's my stage 1 vegetables. The stage 2 vegetables, which take less time to cook, include sprouting broccoli, cauliflower, beans, butternut squash, etc. So these are crackling, and then I will add a few red chilies, dry red chilies, and I got fresh curry leaves this time. I'm going to use fresh curry leaves. And in goes our coconut. Well, hardly much coconut, but that goes in. Followed immediately by our stewing vegetables, because they'll take longer to cook. In goes the stewing vegetable. At this stage, I'll add a bit of salt, a bit of more moisture, look at that, all that, beautiful, looks beautiful. And I'm going to cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. So this has been cooking for about 5 minutes. I'm going to now add the stage 2 vegetables, which is here a medley of baby corn, peas, sugar snaps, cauliflower, broccoli, and all the rest. So all goes in there now, the stage 2 vegetables. Now give it a good stir and mix. Because this is mainly a dryish vegetable, I am reluctant to put too much water in one go. So let's see, I have to add a bit more because the vegetable will give some of the water out as well. So that's it really. This is such a simple recipe, it's all done. We cover it up and then cook it. I personally like my vegetables to stay a bit firm and nice and crunchy, so I wouldn't cook it for too long, but it's your liking how you like to cook your vegetables. But that's it, it's done. So we cover it and cook, and that's it. This has now been cooking for about 10 minutes. My vegetables, as I said, I like them to be nice and crunchy. So I'm going to stop flame now, and to finish it off, you could put a bit of yogurt, but since we are doing the vegan version, I'm going to finish it off with a bit of lemon juice and freshly grounded coconut, but this is optional whether you want to do it or not, just to give it that nice bit of color. There you go. It's our version of Avial for you. So wasn't it great fun cooking Avial our way? And as we saw, it's all vegan, so if you're vegan, you'll love that vegetable dish. And also, if you're vegan, you have to watch my next video, which I plan to do with black chickpeas, which can be a very good source of protein, especially if you're on a vegan diet. So I'm going to make black chickpeas with curly kale next time, so don't forget to watch. Thank you for watching this. Thank you.